Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we got my special host here. We got Tim. We're gonna build a mini bike. This is gonna be a few days of videoing, but we're gonna build a mini bike out of a snowblower and some tubing I have on the floor. Don't look behind me. That's another project, another video. I'm hopefully gonna get to that. But I hope you enjoy, guys, and see you at the end of the video.
Yeah.
Tim, explain to the people what we did, because we did this stuff off scene.
What we did, we made the motor lighter by doing stuff.
Yep, we took off the electric starter on there.
Oh, yeah,
And
we completely disassembled the
snowblower.
snowblower.
If you can tell, there's no snowblower left. So right here, guys, we have the bottom motor mount. This is where we have to weld up the plate from here to here, but that's for part two. Right now, we're gonna show you a little mock-up design of what it's gonna look like. There's the wheel. Here's the 8-horse Tecumseh, and there we got the bearings. Let's mock it up quick, and we'll get right back to you guys. This is it for part one, right? Part one. We got the motor. And we got the bottom plate, we got the wheels. We disassembled a whole entire snowblower. Do not recommend. That was terrible. I cut my hand so many times.
That was fun.
Tim, what do you think of your mini bike so far?
Tis nice.
Tis nice?
Nice mini bike.
Yeah, so we're hoping to put 22 millimeter Mikuni on this. Maybe straight pipe it.
Straight pipe, turbo.
Maybe a turbo even. We're gonna do things to this, guys. When we finish this bike off, it's gonna be cool. So stay tuned to that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Audio system. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Stay tuned for our next one, part two. See you next time.
Bye.
And just for fun, guys, we have a little burnout in the snow for you. Hope you enjoy. Guys, so just as a little treat, we're gonna do a burnout because it's cold and snowy out in Minnesota, so let's start up the old ATV, if it will start up. I have 3 flat tires. I don't know if it wants to start. She runs! Thanks for watching our video. See you again next time.